This video is about smart groups. Smart groups are customizable groups that determine which platforms, devices, operating systems get an assigned app, compliance policy, or profile. It's a way to deploy apps or profiles to specific devices in an organization group instead of to all the devices in an organization group. So if you want to take a look, go to Groups and Settings, Groups. Smart groups are under Assignment Groups. Here you can see a long list of smart groups. So let's try to create one to see what it looks like. So as you can see at the top left here, you see organization group. It's got the Lifetime Fitness organization group. So here it says what type of ownership applies to the smart group. You got corporate, employee, shared, unknown. If you want, you can uncheck one, and then on the right you'll see which device. On the right hand side you can see which devices this will apply to this smart group. Let's see. You can go to model if you want. Let's choose platform first. For one, I could choose iOS, and I could say this smart group, if you're in iOS, you have to be greater than or equal to iOS 10. And you can see on the right the list is going to get smaller. 10. Yeah, see, now we just lost 400 devices. So you can keep customizing it however it's supposed to be customized to get the smart group you're looking for. Another way you could set up smart groups, which is a bit messy, but you could do this as well. You can add specific devices by friendly username and then add. But normally you're going to go into select criteria. You're going to pick the organization group you want, or organization groups. You could put as many organization groups as you want in here. It doesn't have to just be one. You can add 2, 3, 4. And if you look through all these categories, you can add. Also, you can add specific friendly devices here if you just want to, add a couple devices in there while still keeping the smart group to have all the other devices you want in there. You can exclude certain ones. So it helps to look throughout this whole list and just see what options you have in customizing the smart group. And then up here where it says name, you name it, and then you hit save, and you got yourself a smart group. And then you can use that smart group to assign applications, profiles, compliance policies, and it will assign to whichever device is, that's already assigned to that smart group. So that's pretty much what smart groups is all about. It's a very simple concept. Read the notes, rewatch this video if you have to. It's a feature that's very well used in Airwatch. It's the end of this video.